Hey guys, my name's Nate with Building Predictable Revenue. If you're a business owner, one of the simplest, quickest things you can do to multiply your revenue, start retargeting your website visitors. After working with hundreds and hundreds of business owners, I've realized that 70+% do not retarget their website visitors. Realize the importance of what I'm telling you. Most people, if you're a roofer, when they visit your site, whether it's from an ad or not, they visit your website, they kind of look around, and they put it off. People procrastinate. Retarget your website visitors. Okay, so then when they decide to make the decision a week later, when your retargeting ad pops up in front of them, not to mention it cuts the cost of acquisition drastically. In fact, here's what a few of our clients have to say about us doing this for them.
Before, my business was stuck. Lead generation was a struggle. And now we've only been about 2 months in, and we already got 5 new contracts. And I've had to actually expand my team, so it works.
Before I met these guys, my business, to put it frankly, was a mess. After just 3 months, though, of working with them, I ended up generating more sales revenue in just those 3 months than I did the entire previous year. So, got to hand it to these guys. They absolutely know what they're doing.
Before working with you guys, you couldn't even find us on Google. And now, since we started working with you, our sales have not only gone up, but they've tripled. So I just genuinely want to say thank you, shout out, much love to Nate and the team.
So if you'd like us to implement this for your business, click on the link below or send us a message. I look forward to speaking with you. Don't procrastinate, guys.